everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'll be showing you how to download Noom application on your device. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. The Noom is a personalized weight loss plan available through the application, which can be installed on your device. It provides its users with a personalized diet plan and access to a health coach. To download a Noom on your device, go to your Playstore for your Android and search for Noom. Tap on the search result over here, which looks like this. This is the app we are looking for. Tap on the install button to download the app to your device. It might take a couple of minutes depending upon the speed of your internet connection. Wait for it to install on your device after the download is complete. After it is done, open the app. This is how it looks like. You can even find the app on your app store since it has been installed on your device. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.